got a door.
Yeah, I gotta get the door, don't I? Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel here. It has snowed, and well, it's snowing. It's more iced. That's our issue, is that it rained a bunch here yesterday, and now we've got a sheet of ice on the ground, and now it's starting to snow. It's supposed to snow until about 6 o'clock.
Where did I go?
Well, we're going to the big shed. But anyways, I was relaxing at home, and I was thinking about doing some extermination of some does. Wayne County's got a doe-only deer season open right now. But I called my dad, talked to him for a minute, and he had a little bit of a mess up here that you guys will see in a minute. But right now, I got to run up here to the shed to go get the Kubota out, which I was planning on maybe doing today anyways, because I do remove snow or push snow for people during the winter, kind of as one of my side jobs. And I need to get it hooked up to the snow blade so that I can actually push snow here probably tomorrow. Not tonight, I'm not going to push snow at night. So anyways, that's what we're going to go grab right now, and then I can go assist my father down the field. Oh, that was joyous. So the question is going to be if this thing will start. Oh, scared me. Oh, that's not good. Problem number one we've got to tackle, dead battery. Oh. I highly doubt this gets it going, but if not, I can at least start the generator on it, and then I can go do what I've got to do with the 6430, and I can actually put the 6430 in that other shed, even though I got to work on the 6430 a little bit, because really what needs to happen is I forgot to shut the garage door. Nope, I figured that. Walking. But really what I need to do is get the 8110 out of here. It doesn't need to be in here. The 6430 needs worked on. The Pete needs worked on. The Bobcat doesn't really need to be in here, but it won't start very good unless it's in here. The Kubota, it doesn't need to be in here really anymore either, because it's a track machine and absolutely sucks on the ice. So we might work with that here in a little bit, but for now, we'll close it up. Don't need that. 4-wheel. Yes, please. We'll give Wayne the go about. .7 volts. I might be able to jumper that. I was thinking it's deader than that, but some of these won't start if they got low batteries. And what I mean by that is sometimes these newer tractors, like the 70 series combine, and apparently this one here, it's almost like they sense when the voltage is a little bit too low, and then they won't even turn over. Where you get the old horses like that 8630 sitting right there, she'll crank, but you know it won't like, it'll tell you it's dead and won't want to start. This one, it's like, that voltage too low, you aren't even going anywhere, bud. Dang, that sucker's dead. Live my life. $13.9. Not something that I want to do, but I'm going to leave my truck here. It's a trickle charger. let that charge while I go take care of this problem with my dad, and I'll just use the John Deere 6430 to do that. That's slippery. He did that, not me.
It's like, I felt it hit it once and it was like, oh, that didn't feel right. Of course, I couldn't see nothing. And I looked back and it's like, I tried to get out. Like, oh, yeah, that's screwed up. It's on its side.
Dad's blaming hitting the dual on the mower here on his icy wind.
Blaming stupidity. I know.
Yeah. I've also advocated to remove the duals.
The problem with that is where I was mowing 2 days ago.
Yeah, you needed the duals.
You couldn't have remotely, everything would have been on its side because I had it on some steep snow. And I wouldn't even.
Oh, you did up Mom's yard. He didn't hurt anything though. Just the yard.
Ego,
And he says his
my ego badly. That was like,
that surprises me that it flipped it that easy.
oh man,
You figured it'd go thunk, 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 but
it didn't. It
boy, if it went depending on when you went to move it, because look at all the ice on this side here. That side's got to be heavy.
That didn't help a bit, I'm sure. That was like.
So yeah, that's what I had to come down here and help my dad with. Is he was trying to pull it into the shed here because he was mowing waterways yesterday or the day before. Tried to get it out of that freezing rain, or just tried to get it in the shed and he didn't turn tight enough or something like that, and he couldn't see it. He said he caught it with the dual and it just flipped. Oh well, didn't break anything. So I think this is a get out of jail free card though. Well, that's taken care of. Let's go see if I can solve my other problem. .0 on the battery. That's a positive. Good girl. Oh, come on. Chuckle, chuckle, chuckle. Okay, that problem solved. Let's, I'm going to do a reshuffle. I'm going to get that 8110 in here. It should start. plan right now is the 8110's getting parked in here for cold storage. Since I have to work on the 6430 a little bit, it's going back over. But I'm going to take this one over first, then I'll come back, park the 8110, or I'll park the 8110, take this one over, park it, come back, get the Kubota because I got to get the blade on it still, so that we're ready to possibly push snow tomorrow. Take it out four-wheel drive, turn off my light, put it in park, turn it off. Well guys, the GoPro battery died on us, so it's obviously in my hand using my phone. That was very difficult trying to get that thing hooked up. In between the eyes, not being able to see Wayne turning off the lights on me. But the snow blade's hooked up. It's completely covered in ice, so it's at least in here in the warmth for the night. So it should thaw a little bit. And then depending on how much snow we get, I'll have to go pushing snow tomorrow. So mower turned back over, snow blade hooked back up, shop projects rearranged, battery charged. I had planned just kind of relaxing in the warm inside today, you know, just letting the snow do its deal. Plans changed, but we got some stuff done and you guys got to go with us, so thanks.
I'll see you in the next video.
You heard it from Wayne. That's what happens. That's how it happens. It just pushes off the rail. And it. You just stepped on it. What are you doing? What? It's not okay. No, leave it! Everybody needs a blue healer.